Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. So today we talk about probability. So now the technique to answer the question, we need to create about the function in here. The first thing I will put about C and R. So in here that is about n factorial over r factorial, and we have n minus r factorial. That is the first one. And the second one, if we see about n factorial in here, that is about number 1 multiplied by number 2, number 3, and so on until n. So in this one, they want to find the probability, but that should be about the largest possible value of this probability. That is about selecting one black ball and two red balls in three random balls in here. So we just know only 6 black balls, but we don't know any red balls. So in this one, we can create about the function. I will put about f of n equals to b, and we don't know exactly what is about the probability. In here I will put about bs, because we select one black ball. That means we have 6c1. That means we select 1 out of 6, and we know that the probability of taking any ball is the same. That means that's why we need to use combination in here. Multiply by, we don't know the n, so we put about nc number 2. That means we select 2 balls out of n over, we know that the sum of the balls, that is about number 6 plus n. And we select 3 balls, we put number 3 in here. So we need to simplify about these fractions in here. So we have 6c1, we transform into this one. Similar for the second one. And the next one. So if we calculate about this one, 6 minus 1, that is about 5 factorial. So 6 factorial, that is about 5 factorial multiplied by number 6. So 5 factorial simplify with 5 factorial in here. We just have only number 6. Number 1, they got number 1. Number 2 factorial, we have number 2. So we put number 2 on here. Now this one we need to simplify it. So number 3 factorial, that is about number 2 multiplied by number 3. So we have number 6. This one we have n plus number 3 factorial in here. So 6 divided by 2, we have number 3. Now, about n factorial, we can put into n minus number 2 factorial, n minus number 1, and n over n minus 2 factorial. So this one we need to transform into n plus 3 factorial, n plus 4, n plus 5, and n plus 6. Now we need to simplify. And now number 3 divided by number 6. So, number 6 will go in here because this is in the denominator of another denominator. So number 6 go in here and we have number 18. And now we just have n minus 1 n over this one in here. After we simplify everything, we need to expand on numerator and denominator. So that should be like this. So we have like this. Now, if we want to find the maximum of probability, we need to find about the critical value f of n. So we need to do first derivative. So this one we can apply about the quotient rule of derivative. That means we have y equals to ab. So if we do first derivative, we need to do first derivative of a multiplied by b minus first derivative of b multiplied by 8 over b squared. Now, if we apply this formula in here, that should be like this. So I will put number 18 gone here. And now we need to do first derivative of this one. Multiplied by n squared minus n. Minus, we do first derivative of n squared minus n multiplied by the denominator. Oh sorry, I just made wrong. This one they will go in here. This one will go in here, sorry about that. So they should be like this. And this one, I will put the power 2. So we can apply the power rule in here. So when we have y equals to s to the power of n, if we do first the derivative, we have n s to the power of n minus 1. So if I do this integration, if I do this first derivative of this one in here, and we can simplify like this. So this one we have 2n minus 1, and we just write the same number in here. This one we have 3n squared plus 30n plus 74, and we have n squared minus n. So after that we simplify on numerator. That should be like this. So this is the answer. Now because I want to put f of n of first derivative equals to number 0, so we just only one equation, that is about this one. So if we use about the calculator, we have 4 solutions of n. So here is about the solutions. So that means the value of integer should closer to this value of n in here. However, on the question n is greater than or equals to number 2. So we need to recheck about this one, and this one. So we just have only this one. So the closer to this number in here, that is about n equals to number 11. So after we have n equals to number 11, we can put this number go back to this function in here. And we have bs, the possible maximum in here, equals to 33 over 68. Now we know that we have another value next to this number, that is about n equals to number 12. So that's, if we put n equals to number 12 go in here, you still got the same this value. This is the end. Thank you for watching.